another edition of Kylie's Kitchen. So today I'm going to share with you one of 3 recipes that I'm going to publish this week. And the first one is a quick and easy smoothie. So all of these recipes are going to be based around the theme of using oats for weight loss. All right, so this is very easy. It's throw it into your blender. I'm going to go through the whole thing with you. So what I've got here is half a cup of full cream milk and half a cup of water. By all means, use any milk replacement that you have. I don't use skim milk because I don't like the flavour, but this is one way of reducing the fat. So that goes into your blender. I have, let's go with half a cup of banana. I have half a cup of pineapple here and some mint leaves. Half a cup of GF oats. And half a cup of natural yogurt. Okay, all of those go into the blender. You just put the lid on the blender, of course. Sorry for the noise. Quick blend up there and into your glass. Look how easy that is and delicious. By all means, put some ice in it if you would like it a little bit colder. But that is a very quick and easy way to get you out in the morning, and that oats will keep you full until lunchtime. So each and every Friday we send out a newsletter. That is a Kylie's Kitchen newsletter, sharing with you a new recipe from ourselves or from an influencer, particularly off Instagram, or one that's come in from one of our customers. So I'll put the subscription details in the comments below, but jump onto that newsletter and we look forward to sharing those recipes with you. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.